In this video, we will look at a new feature in StarTeam 17. Microfocus Pulse adds integrated review functionality to track health auditing of changes checked in. First, invoke the StarTeam client. Notice that we are checking in with a linked change request, number 39. So far, we have followed a standard procedure to check in a change. We will now access Pulse, which has previously been configured on the StarTeam server. As a result of the check-in, an entity called a Pulse Review has been created. Let's log into Microfocus Pulse. The landing page or home screen is configurable and presents the user with a summary of all the reviews. The audit feed tracks and shows all the changes delivered and displays review updates. Let's access the draft review. Pulse automatically created this review as a result of the check-in. The review derives its title from the linked change request that was selected on the check-in dialog. Let's access the review created by Pulse. Pulse is warning us that we need to assign one or more reviewers to the draft review that has been created. There are two reviewer roles available, lead and optional. A review author or an administrator can add or remove lead and optional reviewers. A lead reviewer can add or remove optional reviewers. The review has been assigned. We can now publish the review to move it out of the draft status and make it active. The review has been published to the in review state. In addition, a reviewer has been assigned, meaning that the review can now be worked on. Let's log out of Pulse. We will log in as Dev, who has been assigned as lead reviewer. The review shows the information including the related change request, description, and the activity feed. The Changes tab shows the actual code changes made. In this example, only a single line was modified. As well as being able to view the change, reviewers can also add inline comments. The comments will be visible to other Pulse users, and they will be able to add their own comments or respond to the current comments made. In addition to code-specific comments, the dev user is happy with the changes and wishes to approve them. A general review comment can also be made. Let's look at all the reviews pertinent to the dev user. Notice the Q102 review is now in the status approved. In this video, we have looked at a simple workflow using StarTeam with Pulse. We completed the following tasks: made a change in the StarDraw project and checked it in, logged in as the Pulse administrator and assigned and published the review, logged in as dev user, who then reviewed and approved the changes made in StarTeam.